While the LG WK9 wireless speaker clearly borrows a few elements from the Amazon Echo Show, it's far from being an exact clone. The WK9, for example, has two separate speakers instead of one center driver, and the 8-inch LED touchscreen is a full inch bigger than the Amazon Echo Show's. If the additional speaker wasn't enough to give the WK9 a leg up in the audio arms race, LG's partnership with legendary audio manufacturer Meridian surely seals the deal. Not only can Meridian-tuned speakers be found here on the WK9 but on nearly every audio product coming from LG's Avenue catalog in the near as well, a potentially game-changing addition to the usually poor-sounding audio that usually comes alongside smart assistant speakers. Ignoring the speaker an extra inch on the touchscreen, though, and what you see here should look pretty familiar. Like the Amazon Echo Show, the WK9 has a front-facing camera and forward-firing speakers. There's a mute switch located near the top edge of the front panel, which stops Google Assistant from listening into your conversations. At the center of it all is Google Assistant, which has finally received a screen to call home. Should it launch at an affordable price point and sometime in the near future, LG couldn't provide those details during our brief demo. The WK9 could be a fantastic, visually rich new smart assistant. If it fails on either front, though, Amazon Echo Show might just be able to retain its top spot in the video-enabled smart speaker world.